Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Pink Beach Sunset. Now, this is a drink that me and one of my best friends ended up making while we were at the cabin. It was just something silly to do, I guess. Something fun to do. Something different. How about that? We can go with that. It's something different. It's a pretty simple recipe. The reason why we made it this way is because we're using this peach nectarine, yeah, I think so, sparkling ice, 0 sugar, which some of these ingredients that I have here are gonna completely ignore the 0 sugar, but that's fine. But yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, anyways, so I tried to make something with this. I wasn't sure what I was going to make with it. Unfortunately, I didn't have my whole fucking bar up there. I could only take about 2 boxes, 2 small-ish boxes full. And we just made it work just with what we had, which was not a whole hell of a lot. It looked like a lot, but it wasn't actually a lot. Anyway, so what you're going to need is pink lemonade vodka. I highly recommend it. Peach nectarine, some orange bitters, and a optional simple syrup. I'm going to use it for this, but it just sweetens it up a little bit more. So what you're going to need is, probably should pour it the other way now I think about it. God. What you're going to need is 2 ounces of your pink lemonade vodka. Half an ounce of your optional simple syrup if you want it. Don't have to have it, but it's there if you want it. Like I said, 0 sugar, pretty decent. And then you're going to take your peach nectarine, roughly about a quarter, a third of your peach nectarine, or about 5 to 7 ounces. A little more. That's about right. Let me just set that off to the side. And then 1 or 2 drops of your orange bitters. Now, I'm only going to put in, you know what, let's put in 2. Fuck it. The original recipe called for 1 drop. I don't think it really does much, even if you do 1 drop. I know it's concentrated orange, but I think 2 drops is fine. Go ahead and mix her on up. And there we have the Pink Beach Sunset. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's pretty tasty. The peach and the pink lemonade actually combine pretty damn well. Now, I don't really care for drinking this peach nectarine on its own. I think it tastes kind of gross, to be honest. But it basically just tastes like very warm peach. Maybe it's a little sweeter, I can't really tell. And the pink lemonade, like I said, it blends pretty well. The orange bitters, you really can't taste it. Well, you can taste it sort of. I would recommend maybe trying with 1 drop or 1 dash or whatever you want to call it first before you add any more. And like I said, the simple syrup just sweetens it up. If you don't want to add it in there, you don't need to. But I think this is a perfect combination of a drink. It's pretty simple as well. You only really need 3 ingredients. If even, you could probably technically get away with just a pink lemonade and the peach nectarine and be done. But yeah, no, I like it. I thought it was a good custom drink. Came out really well. I would probably drink this over and over again without any issues. And that's my cat crying. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.